All right, guys, let's look at some mixed and improper numbers. So these really are not too hard. Let's go ahead and use the marker, green marker today. But like all of math, like if you don't know what some of these basic rules are, then it can seem pretty hard. Okay, so let's do this one first. 5 1/4. All right, so how do we get it to be? So that's a mixed number. So like when you see like a big number, big whole number, like the 5 here, and then a fraction, that's a mixed number. Improper number means you got a number that's bigger on top than the one that's on bottom in the fraction. Okay, so the way you figure these out is this 4 is going to stay the same. So let's just go ahead and throw that 4 on there. All right, that's going to be the same. And then we got some bigger number up top. And the way we do it is we go this number right here, the 5, times the denominator, or the number on the bottom. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus the number on top, 21. That's our answer. That's really all there is to it. 21/4. So it's this thing times this thing plus that thing. That's how we do it. Okay, and then you just got to practice these, and it's really some pretty straightforward multiplication. All right, so again, so we have our big number. So let's go ahead and say we know the bottom number is going to be 3. Okay, the big 3 times the little 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. 11 thirds, right? And again, like this number right here, 11 thirds, if the top is bigger than the bottom, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, that's called an improper fraction. We'll do one more. 4 1/2. Again, we're just really doing the same thing. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. That's the number on the top. Number on the bottom doesn't change. Numerator is the same here as it is here. All right, it was the same thing we did here. The numerator was 3 here, it's 3 here. Numerator was 4 here, it's 4 here, right? And that's all there is to it. So hopefully that helps you out with the difference between mixed and improper numbers and how to calculate them.